Experiencing the dreaded GTA 5 ERR FIL PCK1 error crash? This video delivers the definitive solutions to get you back into Los Santos without interruption. First, verify your game files through your launcher. This checks for corrupted data that often triggers the ERR FIL PCK1 error. Corrupted game files are a common culprit, and verifying them ensures all necessary game assets are intact. If that doesn't resolve it, the issue might stem from outdated or faulty graphics drivers. Method to update your graphics drivers immediately. Newer drivers often contain critical bug fixes and performance improvements that can prevent crashes. Next, if you're still facing problems, ensure GTA 5 runs with administrative privileges. Method 3. Right-click the game executable and select Run as administrator. This grants the game necessary system access, preventing permission conflicts that cause crashes. Finally, for persistent issues, a clean reinstall of GTA 5 is often the most reliable fix. Method 4. Uninstall the game, delete any residual files, then perform a fresh installation. This clears out all potential conflicts and ensures a pristine game environment, effectively eliminating the ERR FIL PCK1 error. Get back to gaming!